Right now I'm installing the oil pump, and I'm going to put the Driftmotion spring on here. It's got a better spring rate for the oil pressure, and I'm using the factory Toyota Ison oil pump because I got a D&J one right over here. Then I read that the brass gear can shred off and, you know, get soft on you, wear out, causing low oil pressure. So I decided to just stick with the stock oil pump and get the Driftmotion spring for the oil pressure. So I'm gonna replace this right now, and yeah, I got the little plunger. I got this. Oh, this is the old spring right here. So yeah, this plunger came out from right here, so I just got a magnet and took it out. So what I'm gonna do is lube this up, put this back in, lube it up too, and get it in there. And yeah, so I got one of the bolts holding it down. Yeah, it's not torqued yet. So, and I've got the new hose. I got that from Driftmotion too. I guess this is an Arizona Performance. So this is the new hose, the new line, I should say, versus the old one. They say it's less restrictive, so I was convinced, and that's why I got it. So yeah, it goes on there like that. So I'm gonna get that on last, but for now I'm gonna get the spring on there, and then when it's all set, and torque it down. One thing I will use here, however, will be the old gasket. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a rubber gasket right here. I'm gonna get the old rubber gasket from here, and I'm gonna take it and swap it out. Also, their oil pump is different. The mounting, see, this one's kind of like a S, and this one's kind of like a L. So when you go like that, see, that one goes straight down. This one right here, however, is going to touch the one of the main caps. So I said, you know what, I don't want to do that, have it touch, so I'm just going to stick with the old stuff, probably, and only take the gasket from here. So yep, that's what I'm gonna do right now. By the way, guys, it is hot. It is 111 degrees out, believe it or not. And I know you see the sleeves. I got a Makita fan jacket, and it's helping right now. For you guys who don't know, I'm a Makita guy. A lot of my power tools are Makita, so I got it because they had the fan jacket. DeWalt and Milwaukee, they don't have it, so that's why I decided to get the fan jacket. So I'm gonna lube this up. Yeah, I don't have no workbench, so I'm just working on the truck. So using the tailgate as my workbench. Lube that up. Lube the sides up right here. Put that in here like this. Down in there. Got the new spring right here. Where's the old spring? Yeah, this one you could push down more. This one you can't really. Then again, this one is from 1987, so and it's been used. I'm gonna move this up too. I'll probably just move it right here. That spring. Sucks because I have no workbench, so who is that? Right over here. You know what? Let me do something new here. I'm just gonna put it inside with it. There we go, that's what we want. Still kind of the same thing, but you know, peace of mind. Alright, got that. Get the new bolt right here. And it's gonna be tough right here. Push that down. Alright, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Get that. Get it snug first. Then we're going to torque it. Oh, I would remember the torque spec. Is it 22? It is a 22. Torque that down. We'll get the torque spec one time. When I said it was 111 degrees because it turned off because it was too hot, but I do have the oil pump installed. I've got the oil shaft installed too. So yeah, I got the Driftmotion or Arizona Performance oil pipe installed. It's kind of tricky because you know, torquing it down and tightening it down, they're not like even, you know, it's kind of like an A. So I had to tighten this one first down, and then because this was not adjustable right here. I mean, you can adjust the height and all that, but this one, you can go side to side. But yeah, no, I got this installed, so I torqued everything down. If you're wondering, torque specs, this is 9 foot-pounds right here. This is, I believe, 16 foot-pounds. This is 52 inch-pounds. These two bolts right here for the oil strainer. There's one right over here too, and that's 9 foot-pounds. And this one right here is 27 foot-pounds. So yeah, I use the stock. You can see Toyota, you can probably see right there, Eisen. Use the stock oil pump because of the the D&J one that I had, read something that the brass gear might wear off over time because it's like really soft. So I didn't want to deal with that loss of oil pressure. So yeah, up next, you're gonna do the front cover. I gotta do the studs too. Yeah, when I got from the machine shop, they took it out, so I'm gonna do that too. A good thing they didn't take away the fittings right here. I can't even think what they're called right now. Dowel pins, that's what it's called, dowel pins. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's still hot right now. It's 1:15, so my goodness. So I'm trying to put this GoPro on my head, but it may turn off again. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I'm gonna try to film, see what I change the battery. All right, thanks guys, peace.